If you're experiencing a login failure with error code 2026 in Valorant, follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Riot Games server status page to see if there are any ongoing server issues. If the servers are down, you'll need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Restart your game. Close Valorant completely and restart it. Sometimes, simply restarting the game can resolve temporary connectivity issues. Step 3. Verify your internet connection. Be sure that your internet connection is stable. You can do this by running a speed test or trying to access other online services. If your connection is weak, consider resetting your router. Step 4. Update your game. Make sure that Valorant is updated to the latest version. Check for any available updates in the Riot Games client and install them if necessary. Step 5. Reinstall Valorant. If the issue persists, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling Valorant. This can fix any corrupted files that may be causing the login failure. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the login failure issue and get back to playing Valorant. If problems continue, consider reaching out to Riot Games support for further assistance.